The JAM's YouTube channel, dedicated to BMW car enthusiasts, presents a new video about how to remove the intake manifold on the B48D engine fitted to the BMW 530i G30, 2019. I created this video because many repair or replacement operations of certain sub-assemblies on this engine require removing this component. Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the electrical connections between the ECM and the engine. Remove the vacuum line and disconnect the electrical connections of the sensors located on it. To remove the air resonator and the air intake duct, you need to unplug the electrical connector of the mass airflow sensor and loosen the clamp that secures the resonator to the air intake channel. Now you have access to remove the pressurized air pipe between the turbocharger and the throttle body. It is secured with 3 TX30 screws to the throttle body. And with a metal retaining clip to the turbocharger outlet. Remove the accessory belt protective cover. It is necessary to drain the cooling system below the level where the intake manifold is mounted, because coolant flows through it. Remove the coolant hose from the upper part of the intake manifold. I will remove the mounting bracket of the throttle body by taking out the 3 retaining screws. The intake manifold is secured to the cylinder head with 5 10mm hex head bolts and one E10 bolt that supports it at the rear. I will loosen, one by one, the bolts that secure it to the cylinder head to avoid creating stress in the intake manifold. Then I will fully remove them. Then the rear bolt. As you can see, the intake manifold moves very easily, but there is still something preventing me from removing it from its position. Under the intake manifold, there is another hose from the cooling system that must be removed. Access to its retaining clip is very difficult, which is also why I was unable to film this procedure. Now I can remove the intake manifold from its position. This is the hose I was talking about. And this is the fitting where it connects. Now you have access to perform any repair that requires, beforehand, removing the intake manifold on this engine. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.